All right, you little mathematicians, we are learning how to find the surface area of a pyramid. So imagine you're given this question. What is the surface area of this square pyramid? Well, we know it's a pyramid because all the faces are triangles that go up to one point. And since this tells us it's a square pyramid, we know that if this length is 8, this length is also 8. And this right here is representing the height of one of the triangles. So the height of the triangle is 9.
So let's actually look what this would look like in 3 dimensions. So as Mr. Ragg said, we have a pyramid, which we know that each of the different faces or the sides are all triangles, and our base happens to be right here, a square. But if we take this apart, and I'll try to use some math magic here, if we take it apart, we can see the net of the pyramid. And if we kind of put it right next to it, we can see that we actually have one square base and 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles as well. So in a way, we've created a composite figure of 4 triangles and 1 square. That's going to help us find the surface area of the 3-dimensional shape. We're going to use a 2-dimensional net in order to calculate it. So let's start with what we really like to be able to find is the area of a square, where we know that it could be our base times our height, which here is 8 inches by 8 inches. So using our formula, we have the area is equal to base times height, our area of 8 inches times 8 inches, and that gives us our area of 64 square inches. Mr. Ragg, what about those triangles?
Well, the triangles have a base of 8 each, 8 inches, and a height of 9 inches. So, of course, the formula for a triangle is area equals base times height divided by 2. And so we'll substitute in the base of 8 inches, the height of 9 inches, multiply those together, we would get 72, and dividing that by 2, we would find 36. So that tells us the area of only one of these triangles, 36 square inches. So we know that this is 36 square inches, but so is this, and so is this, and of course this one down here is as well. And we also know the square, like we found before, is 64 square inches. So to find the surface area of the whole shape, we would have to add all of these together. 36 plus 36 plus 36 plus 36, or of course you could do 36 times 4. And then summing all those together really quickly, Mrs. Conrick, I hope you can do this in your head. We've got 144 plus 64, I believe it's 208 square inches. So remember, it's interesting, even though we're dealing with a 3-dimensional figure, when we're looking at the surface area, we're always thinking about square area still. So we're like folding it down into a 2-dimensional net and finding the area of all the parts. Thanks.